Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from Invideo AI. So in here, I've already opened the Invideo AI.io, and here, let's say I want to export this project right here. Okay, so this is the project that I created on in the video and I want to download it. So let's just click on download in here, and as you guys can see here under the download setting, if you want to have no watermarks on your video, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. And also if you want to not have the AI branding, the Invideo AI branding, you need to also upgrade to a paid plan. So what you need to do is just click on stock watermarks in here, click on normal, and then click on continue. Now your video will be downloading. So this is the video, you can see preparing to download. Just wait until the downloading process is finished. Okay, still wait, preparing to download. Okay, so in here you can see that my video is now downloading, and if you see the preview, you'll see the watermark on the video. And what you need to do to remove it from the video, you can use this any eraser.media.io. So let's just wait until the downloading process is finished. Okay, so now the downloading process is done. You can just use this to remove the watermark. Let's find the video, click on open, and here is the one that we need to remove. So what you need to do is adjust the size of the brush. Now you can just brush off the watermark. And now click on remove objects now. So now the removing watermark will be processing, and you can just wait until it's done. Okay, so now the process is done, and when you play it, you can see there is no watermark on the video. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.